Hindi pa. Dahan-dahan ka naman, bro. Sarap ng tulog niya eh. Success! Nakapag-park. Okay, nice. Sino yun? Ano sabi? Anyway, pinipick up lang ni Bea yung chibog namin for today. Kumuha kami ng palabok. I'm not sure kung dito nanggagaling yung palabok nila or somewhere else. Pero anyway, it's some of the best palabok I've ever tried in my life. And actually, last night, dito kami nag-dinner. Well, nag-take-out kami ng dinner from here. Palabok, tsaka pork barbecue. Dude, pork barbecue nila, some of the best pork barbecue I've ever had as well. Sorry. So, uulit kami today. On the menu, we have palabok, barbecue, tsaka kumuha kami ng lumpiang Shanghai, tsaka I think that's it. And bakery din to. So, yesterday kumuha kami ng Spanish bread. Some of the best Spanish bread I've ever tried in my life as well. And for the first time, kukuha kami ng queso de bola ensaymada. So, I'm sure, because everything else, actually, umorder din pala kami ng pakbet kahapon. And it was really good, so order ulit kami ng pakbet today. Nandito sila sa Marikina, bro. I'm not sure kung meron sila ibang branches, pero apparently, OG to sa Marikina. Nandito sila sa Chestnut Street. Nasa corner sila eh, Chestnut Street, and then hindi ko sure kung anong street to, pero malapit na sila sa may Marcos Highway. So, off Marcos Highway, and then you make a right. And then, yeah. I mean, dude, meron namang internet, so Waze or Google search nyo na lang yan. Anyway.
Para po kayo ng Bea.
Aba, thank you. Alright, thank you very much. And then pansin. Alright, thank you po. Dude, e-bike, look at this.
I'm sorry.
And then Samada, si Jesus nag-appear.
Kasi nakaharap naman tayo. Dito.
Hindi, layuan mo yung kabig mo. It's fine. Take up more space. Okay, right signal. Good. Meron ano dito ah. An old Corolla. Obviously, wala yung pakialam, so nice. Very good! Pwede na to. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-drive. Ikaw na yung driver. Okay na yan. Sobrang saya namin sa oven toaster na to.
Everything. Lahat. Pwede.
Lahat iniinit namin doon, like lumpia, itong barbecue, doon namin iniinit. Rice, napag-init ka na rin doon.
Yeah, di ba?
Yeah.
Long sila.
Napet.
Sabi ko,
Alam mo babe, like, sige, ano yan?
nag-worry ako kasi sabi ko, kasi yung palabo. Wala akong makita ang dalawang bowl.
Yeah, kasi usually solo yung binibili namin. Pero this time around, bumili kami ng bilao, bro. Good for 5 daw. Come on, dude. Joke lang. Good for 5. I feel like siguro
Matakaw kasi siya. Ayun.
maybe half of it I can
Demolish that?
Yeah, I can demolish half of that. Maybe even more, maybe even the whole thing. Dude, I swear, masarap na. Dude, this is like one of the best pork barbecues I've ever had in my life. Oy, look at this makulit. Look at this little makulit right here. What do you want, girl? What do you want? Bagong what?
Pwede ba yan?
Si Laila, mamoist.
Yung barbecue.
Oh, looks juicy? Sorry. Juicy pala.
Georgie, pwede pa yung maliit na bowl.
Sige, wait lang. Yeah. There it is, bro. Pork BBQ. Ano alam? Bowl? Maliit na bowl. I think I can do that, man. It's right up here, bro. I got it. Ito na ang aking contribution for to this event.
Ako nag-drive. So,
Ooh! Siya rin nag-drive. Siya rin nag-drive. Ang galing, ang galing. Pero like Sunday kasi, so it's nice. Kahit naman pag...
practice lang para
Yeah, good practice.
overwhelming.
At saka, you made 2 U-turns kung saan kailangan mo kaagad mag-make ng left and the right turn, yeah. So, you needed to change lanes really quickly after making a U-turn, and that's not easy. If you're not used to it.
Oh, sorry!
You know, if you're used to it, bro. I do this all day. All day. Kasi you're either like a driver or, you know, you just know the area.
Pero sanay ka na talaga.
Sanay ka na talaga, di
Hindi
ba?
mo ikaw.
Ako? Na, alright. Hindi nga.
Sorry, ano to?
Sit. Laila? Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Oh, nag-down na rin. Good girl. Aba, relax na relax ah. Good girl, Laila. Lagi ka nauuntog eh. Kaya parang may buhol ka dito eh. Oh.
Tanga, hindi.
Ha?
Wala.
Hindi ba masakit ka, bro?
Ay, naku.
She's really smart. Very smart girl. She's definitely not shy either. Siya pa yung naghahanap sa ibang dogs. Like, just to say hello, you know? Sa ibang tao rin. Parang, hi, I'm Laila. What's going on? Ba't ganun boses niya? No.
Babae ka yan.
Yeah, she definitely does not sound like that. Ooh, look at this, man. Ooh. Wee. So, ito na yun for 5. Dude, there's no way. Ito, half.
Eh, kasi parang...
That's for me only. Half, bro. Dude, look at that. Ako yung gagawin na sa akin, or...
No, okay.
Oh, sweet. Nice, man. Also, this one has squid in it. Yung sa akin wala eh. Yung sisig.
Sisig.
Usually ka kasing kinukuha yung with sisig on top.
Masusumo ba yung sisig? I mean...
Sisig is good, man.
Kung masusumo, yun
The
ang
sisig
order
is
natin
nice.
sa Friday.
Hmm?
Ayun, order natin sa Friday.
The bilao. Oh, yes, please, bro. Oh, kamusta to? I think these are good, bro. Medyo nag-crisp up na
So
konti.
good kasi marami na siya.
For the barbecue, I'm gonna turn it down a bit.
Bili pa mo muna si Laila.
Okay. Paglaro ko si Laila, she's fine. She's just watching. Ako na lang, babe. Ako na. I got my tongs right here, bro. Kaya daw, kaya daw. Weh. Babe, dahan-dahan, ha? Wag na. Tigilan mo na. Tigilan mo na.
Ay, ito pala chopstick. Chinese ka?
Bakit?
The chopstick.
Ano naman?
Bakit ba?
Hindi lang naman Chinese ang nagcha-chopstick. What are you on about?
Basta mo na. Oo na, sige na. Papaalala mo na naman ko.
Pag-aaral. Oh, sure, bruh. So, ito yung barbecue. Ano, lagyan na kita ng ano?
Sige na?
Ha?
Sige na, lagyan na.
Siya lang daw kailangan gagawa lahat eh.
Sabi niya kasi,
Ano sabi niya kasi?
I won't do anything.
Ano sasabi mo, bro?
Di ba yung sabi mo kanina? Narinig.
Sabi ko, ito na yung contribution ko for the day.
Yeah.
Oh, pero I was joking, man.
Wala na. Yung cookies ko.
Di nga.
Alam ko. Sorry kasi.
Kaya nga eh, dahilan, ako pa'y dadahilan mo, ikaw yung makulit. Siling labuyo ba to? And some for later. Let's go. Oh, look at this cutie pie. Oh, cutie pie right here. Behave lang yan. Don't even think about it, bro. Good girl. We've got the barbecue right here. Look at this little perfection right here, man. Let's get some meat. Let's get some meat right in us. Kain tayong karne, bro. Ano to? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Hindi ko alam, wala pa akong patungan para dito, so hawakan ko na lang muna ganyan. Let's go! Time to eat!
Ay, hindi.
Pray muna tayo, pray muna tayo. Wait lang, focus ko muna to. Let's go. So, mag-ano muna ako, men? Pakbet. So, how is it?
Oh, wala pang kalamansi to, tol.
Oh, dude, come on! Bawal kalimutan yan, man. Mamaya ako nalalagay yung pakbet. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Let's go. There you go. Parang gusto ko pa isa pa. Meron pa isa pa.
Ito yung buto.
Okay. Pakbet first. Kalabasa.
Wala pa pinapit.
Dude, kalabasa is perfectly cooked, man. Pati itong okra, bro. Kaya yung na-appreciate ko sa pakbet nila last night and now, sobrang fresh ng vegetables. And it's,
Kasi madaming vegetable.
yeah, a whole heap of vegetables.
Like, balance lahat ng vegetables.
They're
Hindi mas
perfectly,
marami yung okra.
I feel like they're perfectly cooked, nicely cooked. And sobrang sakto nung pinakbet flavor niya.
Hindi maalat, no?
Hindi lang alat. Sobrang complex ng flavors. Tapos nagbabago rin pag anong klaseng gulay yung kinain mo. Diba?
Bakit naman ito?
Hmm?
Kain ako na po, sorry.
Lumpia, next. Sa suka ko sinusaw.
Ah! Ito na barbecue. Sige.
Sobrang wow. Up. Hindi na rin barbecue. Let's try it. Suka.
May...
Thank you.
Shrimp, shrimp.
Huh?
Shrimp.
Sige lang, babe. Okay, lagyan natin.
Shrimp dito ka.
Okay. Pag naumpisa mo to, parang hindi mo na mabitawan. So parang yung ratio niya, it's perfect in every bite. The amount of meat and fat. Hindi yung sobrang lean lang sa harap and then taba sa huli. Diba?
Focus lang.
Hmm?
Para focus lang.
Mm. Yeah.
Yung...
Busog? Pwede pang gift. To and from. Nice. Oh.